From the news desk of NaijaNews TV in a new development, the federal government has unveiled an ambitious energy access program aimed at transforming the nation's energy sector. The government stated that the program will require $23.2 billion, of which $15.5 billion will be provided by the private sector. A statement by the spokesman for the Minister of Power, Bolaji Tunji, revealed that the program spearheaded by Minister Adebayo Adelabo is designed to drive sector-wide transformation. Tunji noted that the initiative is a direct outcome of the recently concluded Mission 300 Africa Energy Summit held in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. The two-day summit, which brought together African leaders, business executives, and development partners, was hosted by the government of Tanzania, the African Union, the African Development Bank Group, and the World Bank Group, which aims to accelerate electricity access for 300 million Africans by 2030. Unveiling the program, Adelabo said it will expand electricity access, increase renewable energy adoption, and improve clean cooking solutions for millions of Nigerians. With 150 million Nigerians already electrified, Nigeria remains committed to ensuring universal access to affordable and sustainable energy by 2030, the minister said. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.